Anandam, before we begin the Pada Puja and the Shiva Puja, we request all the Pada Puja participants who are physically here and online to declare the following truth with integrity and authenticity. If you agree to this, please say yes loudly. I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand, and declare the truth that cosmic energy exists. Yes, I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand, and declare the truth that Swamiji, Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva, and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti, the Guru Paduka and Atmalinga, are the Chinmaya Vigrahas, the embodiment and representation of that very cosmic energy. Yes, I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand, and declare the truth that whatever I offer during the Pada Puja and Shiva Puja to Swamiji, to Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva and Nityanandeshwari Parashakti will reach the cosmic source of energy directly. Yes, I authentically cognize, which is internally process, understand, and declare the truth of Soham Asmi, that even when I worship, I am Him. Yes. Now, let us enter into the Pratyaksha Pada Puja, followed by the Shiva Puja. The first is Sadguru Vandanam. Now, please take some flowers in your hand and offer it at the feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji at the end of the mantra. Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadrisham Tattvamasyaadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. The next is Guru Parampara Vandanam. Now, please take some flowers in your hand and offer it at the sacred feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji at the end of the mantra. Om Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Samarambam Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Madhyamam Asmadacharya Pariyantam Vande Guru Paramparam. The next is Arunagiri Yogeshwara Vandanam. Now, please take some flowers in your folded hands and offer it at the sacred feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji at the end of the mantra. Lalate Tripundri Nitilakrita Kasturi Tilakaha Spurenmala Dara Spuritakati Kaupina Vasanaha Dadano Dustaram Chirashi Panirajam Shashikalam Pradeepa Sarvesham Arunagiri Yogi Vijayate. The next is Tattvachamanam, the ritualistic cleansing of the mouth. Now, keep your right hand in a cow's ear. In Gokarna Mudra, pour one udrini of water from the Panchapatram and chant each of the following mantras internally. Drink the water that flows through the base of the palm. Om Atmatattvam Shodayami Svada. Om Vidyatattvam Shodayami Svada. Om Shiva Tattvam Shodayami Svada. Wash your hands. Now, wipe the upper and lower lips twice using the base of the right hand thumb, moving the hand from right to left of the lips. Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha. Wash your right hand with the water in the Panchapatram. With the tips of the right hand index, middle and ring finger touch above the upper lips and below the lower lips. With the tips of the right hand index finger and thumb joined together, touch the right nostril, the left nostril. With the tips of the right hand index finger and thumb joined together, gently touch the right eye, right ear, left ear. Wash your right hand with the water in the Panchapatram. With the base of the right hand thumb and little finger, touch the navel, right chest, left chest. With the right hand fingertips together, touch the top of the head, right shoulder, left shoulder, the heart center. Now, keeping the Akshata in your right hand, clench your hands and tap the sides of your forehead 5 times, visualizing that the nectar in the Shushupna Nadi is reaching Mahaganapati in the Mooladhara Chakra and the nectar oozing through the head is drenching your hands while chanting the mantra. Next is Shuklam Bharadaram. Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavarnam Dhyayet Sarva Vigno Prashantayet. The next is pranayama. Continue to keep the akshata in your right hand. Now open only the little finger, ring finger and the thumb. During the pranayama, use the thumb to close the right nostril and the ring and little finger to close the left nostril. Closing the right nostril, inhale slowly through the left nostril. Once you have inhaled fully, close both the nostrils and hold the breath inside as long as possible. Exhale through the right nostril alone very slowly. During this inhalation, retention and exhalation, chant the following mantras 3 times internally. Om Hum Ishanamurdaaya Namaha, Om Him Tatpurushavakraya Namaha, Om Hum Aghorahridayaya Namaha, Om Him Vamadeva Guhyaya Namaha, Om Ham Satyojartamurtaye Namaha, Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha, Om Him Shirase Namaha, Om Hum Shikaya Namaha, Om Him Kavachaya Namaha, Om Hum Netrebhyo Namaha, Om Astraya Namaha. Om Hum Ishanamurdaaya Namaha, Om Him Tatpurushavakraya Namaha, Om Hum Aghorahridayaya Namaha, Om Him Vamadeva Guhyaya Namaha, Om Ham Satyojartamurtaye Namaha, Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha, Om Him Shirase Namaha, Om Hum Shikaya Namaha, Om Him Kavachaya Namaha, Om Hum Netrebhyo Namaha, Om Astraya Namaha. Om Hum Ishanamurdaaya Namaha, Om Him Tatpurushavakraya Namaha, Om Hum Aghorahridayaya Namaha, Om Him Vamadeva Guhyaya Namaha, Om Ham Satyojartamurtaye Namaha, Om Ham Hridayaya Namaha, Om Him Shirase Namaha, Om Hum Shikaya Namaha, Om Him Kavachaya Namaha, Om Hum Netrebhyo Namaha, Om Astraya Namaha. The next is Sankalpa, the conscious resolution. Now, keeping the akshata in your right palm, keep your right palm on your right thigh and close your right palm with your left hand. Mamopata samasta duritakshaya dvara Bhagavat Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Prityartam Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Prityartam Cha Shubhe Shobhane Muhurte Adya Brahmanaha Dvidiya Paradhe Shri Shvetavaraha Kalpe Vaivasvatamanvantale Ashtavimshatitame Nityayuge Pratame Bhade Jambodvipe Bharatavarshe Bharadakande Yoho Dakshine Parshve Shakabde Asmin Vartamane Vyavaharike Prabhavadinam Satyaha Samvatsaranam Madhye Vikarinam Samvatsare Dakshinayane Shri Lakshmi Venkateshwara Rito Kartika Mase Shukla Pakshe Pratamayam Shubhadito Budavasara Yuktayam Anuradha Nakshatra Sukarman Yoga Bhavakarana Evam Guna Visheshana Vishishtayam Asyam Shubhadito Shri Kailasonada Dwadashanta Shyamala Pita Rudha Shri Meenakshi Sundareshwara Bhinna Swarupa Parshivaputra Ratnakumara Gurumanya Tulyavatara Shri Parvati Stanyapana Labda Divyajnana Vishruta Sakala Nigama Gamasara Bhuta Dravida Veda Pravaktre Shrimat Paramashiva Karuna Samadigata Muktamaya Chaturashayana Giyamana Chatra Chamara Shri Chinha Kahaladi Samasta Birada Valyalankrita Jnana Vijnana Chakravarti Sarvajana Sangha Sadhyo Nirvana Diksha Vayapa Varga Varsha Vishrana Jimuta Paramata Kalabakesari Shaiva Siddhanta Sthapanacharya Shri Rajadiraja Pandya Maharaja Guru Shapana Shakyadi Mahantakara Nirvana Jnana Bhanu Vikshana Narhara Dvajochedana Purvaka Shrimat Rishabhadvaja Sthapaka Shaiva Samaya Katre Sarvajna Pita Rudha Shri Jagat Guru Shri Jnana Sambandha Deshika Swami Vagisha Sundara Manikya Vachaka Swami Nam Avatar Bhuta Shri Jnana Sambandha Swami Punarudruta Shyamala Pita Mahasamsthan Jnana Samraja Shashaka Sarvajna Pita Rudha Trinavadyuttara Dushitatama Guru Mahasannidhana
कैलास परंपरागत कांची कैलास सर्वज्ञपीठ त्रयस्त्रिंशदुत्तर दुषिततम गुरु महासन्निधान साक्षात् श्री परमशिव समुद्भूत कैलास परंपरागत वैवस्वतमनु इक्ष्वाकु हरिश्चंद्र भगीरथ श्री रामचंद्र सूरसेन इत्यादि अनवच्छिन्न सार्वभौम चक्रवर्ती परंपरागत चतुष्षष्टि योगिनी मंडित चतुष्षष्टि संप्रदाय प्रवर्तक मनुधर्म शासन सूर्यवंश प्राप्त सर्वज्ञपीठ सुरांगी साम्राज्य बूढ़ा भिक्षित चूड़ामणि महानिर्वाणी पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामंडलेश्वर अटल पीठस्य अष्टोत्तर सहस्रतम अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वर धर्म मुक्ति स्वर्गपुर स्वर्ण पीठस्य त्रयोविंश गुरु महासन्निधान श्रीमत् परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य वर्य सच्चिदानंद प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोतीय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ नित्योत्सव नित्य मंगल नित्य कल्याण नित्य रजित नित्यानंद पीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठ कत्र कैलास पुनरुद्धारक जगद्गुरु श्रील श्री भगवत श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिनां प्रीत्यर्थम देशां पादारविंदयोः भक्ति सिद्ध्यर्थम गुरुकृपा कटाक्ष सिद्ध्यर्थम क्षेम स्थैर्य वीर्य विजय आयुरारोग्य ऐश्वर्याणाम् अभिवृद्ध्यर्थम धर्मार्थ काम मोक्ष चतुर्विध फल पुरुषार्थ सिद्ध्यर्थम समस्त दुरितोपशान्त्यर्थम समस्त मंगलावाप्यर्थम भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव प्रसादेन सकुटुम्बस्य ज्ञान वैराग्य जीवन मुक्ति प्राप्यर्थम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव अवतार भूत श्री सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूप भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव प्रत्यक्ष पाद पूजा श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति समेत श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव पूजा च करिष्ये. Now wash your hand with a drop of water in the Panchapatram. Om Apaupasprisya.
The next is Ghantanada. Now ring the bell loudly with your left hand, holding it firmly over your heart level as you chant the mantra.
Agamartantu devanam gamanartantu rakshasam घंटानादं करोम्यादो देवता वानलांछनं घंटा देवताभ्यो नमः.
The next is Manasa Puja. Now please take some flowers in your hands and close your eyes and visualize the Swamiji seated on a white lotus in your Ananda Gandha. Placing your hand in front of your Ananda Gandha in Kurma Mudra, offer the flowers at the feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji at the end of the mantra.
Om Hritpadmamasanam Dhadyat Sahasrarachutam Bhritaihi Padyam Charanayo Dhadyat Manastu Adgyam Nivedayet Tena Mritena Achamaniyam Snaniyam Tena Chashmitam Akasha Tattvam Vastram Syat Gandhasyat Gandhatatvakam Chittam Prakalpayet Pushpam Dupam Pranan Prakalpayet Tejas Tattvam Cha Deepartam Naivedyam Syat Sudam Buddhihi Anahatir Dvanir Ganta Vayu Tattvam Cha Chamaram Sahasraram Bhave Chatram Shabda Tattvam Cha Geetakam Nityam Indira Karmani Chanchalyam Manasastata Sumekalam Padnamalam Pushpam Nana Vidam Tata Amayadhir Bhava Pushpaihi Archayed Bhava Gocharam Amayam Manahankaram Aragam Mamadam Tata Amohakam Madam Vamcha Advekshakshobhakau Tata Amacharyam Malobham Cha Dasa Pushpam Vidurbudaha Ahimsa Paramam Pushpam Pushpam Indriya Nigraha Daya Pushpam Shama Pushpam Jnana Pushpam Cha Panchamam इति पञ्चदशैर्भावपुष्पैः सम्पूजयेत् भगवन्तं श्रीनित्यानन्दपरमशिवम्.
The next is Upachara Puja, the external worship. The first offering is Asanam, the offering of sacred seat. Now, please take some flowers and akshata in your hands and offer it at the sacred feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji at the end of the mantra.
Asanam Om Sarvabhutantarasthaya Sarvabhutantaratmane Kalpayami Paveshartam Asanam Te Namo Namaha. Om Hrim Idam Suvarnasanam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha.
The next offering is Swagatam, the offering of welcoming Swamiji. Now, please take some flowers in your hands and offer it at the sacred feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji at the end of the mantra. Swagatam Om Shantatva Sarvakatritva Bhavo Paratikaranath Shiva Ukto Mahatantra Mantra Vibdi Sada Shivaha Tasmai Shivaya Gurave Vitaraga Kalaya Vai Ameyatva Tanantoyam Ajatva Cha Prakrititaha Yasya Darshanam Ichanti Deva Swabhishta Siddhayet Tasmai Te Parameshana Swagatam Swagatam Prabho Adya Me Sapalam Janma Jivanam Sapala Kriyaha Swagatam Yatvaya Tanme Tapasam Palamagatam. Om Hrim Sarvadeva Devi Swarupa Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Swagatam Suswagatam Te. The next offering is Padyam, the offering of water for washing the divine feet of Swamiji. Now, please take an uddirini of water in your hands and offer it at the feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji at the end of the mantra. Padyam Om Yadbhaktilesha Samparkat Paramananda Samplavaha Tasmai Te Parameshana Padyam Shuddhaya Kalpayet. Om Hrim Etat Padyam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. The next offering is Arghya, the offering of the traditional bouquet. Now, take the conch in your hands and offer it the Arghya at Swamiji's sacred Paduka along with the mantra. Arghya Om Durvakshata Samayuktam Bilva Patram Tataparam Shobhanam Shankapatrastam Grahanargyam Maheshwara. Om Hrim Esho Argyaha Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swaha.
The next is the offering of Achamaniyam, the offering of water for mouthwash. Now, please take an uddirini of water in your hands and offer it at the divine feet of Swamiji at the end of the mantra. Achamaniyam Om Mandakhinyastu Yadvari Sarva Papaharam Shubham Grihanachamaniyam Tvam Maya Bhaktya Niveditam. Om Hrim Idam Achamaniyodakam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swada. The next is the offering of Madhuparka, the offering of honey sweetened milk. Now, please take the Madhuparka in your hands and offer it at the lotus feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji along with the mantra. Madhuparkaha Om Sarvakalmashanashaya Paripurna Sudatmakam Madhuparkamimam Deva Kalpayami Prasidame. ॐ ह्रीं एष मधुपर्कः सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्दपरमशिवाय स्वदा.
The next is Gandhatailam, the offering of scented oil. Now, please take the Gandhatailam in your hands and offer it at the lotus feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji along with the mantra.
ॐ स्नेहं गृहाण स्नेहेन लोकानां हितकारक सर्वलोकेषु शुद्धस्त्वं ददामि स्नेहमुत्तमम्. ॐ ह्रीं इदं गन्धतैलं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्दपरमशिवाय निवेदयामि.
The next is Snaniyam, the offering of the sacred bath. Now, please take an udayini of water in your hands and offer it at the sacred feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji along with the mantra, and please ring the bell as you do so.
Snaniyam Om Idam Shushitalamvari Swacham Shuddham Manoharam Snanartam Te Maya Bhaktya Kalpitam Pratigrihyatam. Om Hrim Idam Snaniyodakam Sarvadevadevi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami.
The next is the offering of divine clothes, Vastram. Now, please take the Vastram in your hands and offer it at the divine feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji at the end of the mantra.
Vastram Om Maya Chitrapata Channa Nijaguhyoru Tejase Niravarana Vignyaya Vasaste Kalpayamyaham. Om Hrim Idam Vastrotariyam Sarvadevadevi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami.
The next is Abharanam, the offering of sacred jewelry. Now, please take the Abharanam in your hands and offer it at the lotus feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji at the end of the mantra.
Abharanam Om Swabhavasundarangaya Nana Shaktyashrayayate Suvarnam Bhushanam Tubhyam Kalpayami Prasidame. Om Hrim Idam Suvarnabharanam Sarvadevadevi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami.
The next is Gandha, the offering of fragrant sandalwood paste. Now, please take the sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at the divine feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji along with the mantra.
Gandha Om Shariram Tena Janami Cheshtam Naivacha Maya Niveditan Gandhan Pratigrihya Vilipyatam. Om Hrim Esha Gandha Sarvadevadevi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha.
The next is Pushpam, the offering of flowers. Now, please take the flowers smeared with sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at the sacred feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji along with the mantra.
Pushpam Om Turiyavana Sampannam Nana Gunamanoharam Ananda Saurabham Pushpam Grihyatam Idamuttamam. Om Hrim Etani Sachandana Pushpani Sarvadevadevi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Vaushate.
The next is Bilva Patram, the offering of Bilva leaves. Now, please take the Bilva leaves smeared with sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at the divine feet of Swamiji at the end of the mantra.
Bilva Patram Om अमृतो भवं श्रीवृक्षं शङ्करस्य सदा प्रियं बिल्वपत्रं प्रयच्छामि पवित्रं ते सुरेश्वर ॐ ह्रीं एतानि सचन्दनबिल्वपत्राणि सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्दपरमशिवाय वौषटे.
The next offering is Tulasi Patram, the offering of Tulasi leaves. Now, please take the Tulasi leaf smeared with sandalwood paste in your hands and offer it at the divine feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji at the end of the mantra.
Tulasi Patram Om Namaste Bahurupaya Varadamurtaye Paramatmane Swaha Om Hrim Idam Sachandana Tulasi Patram Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha.
The next is Dhupa, the offering of incense. Now, please take the lit incense sticks in your hands and wave it clockwise towards Swamiji at the end of the mantra, and please ring the bell as you do so.
Dhupaha Om Vanaspatiraso Divyo Gandhadyassu Manoharaha Agreya Sarvadevanam Dhupoyam Pratigrihyatam Om Hrim Esha Dhupaha Sarvadeva-devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha.
The next is Deepa, the offering of light. Now, please take the lit lamp in your hands and slowly wave it towards the lotus feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji along with the mantra, and please ring the bell as you do so.
Deepaha Om Suprakasho Mahadipah Sarvatasya Mirapah Sabhabhyabhyantara Jyotir Deepoyam Pratigrihyatam Om Hrim Esha Deepah Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha.
The next is Naivedyam, the offering of sacred food. Now, take an uddarani of water and hover it clockwise over the Naivedyam, and as the mantra is chanted, please ring the bell.
Naivedyam Om Naivedyam Vividam Deva Sharkaradi Vinirmitam Maya Niveditam Bhaktya Grahana Parameshvara Om Hrim Idam Sopakarna Naivedyam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Nivedayami.
The next is Paniyam, the offering of pure drinking water. Now, please take an uddarani of water and offer it at the lotus feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji along with the mantra.
Paniyam Om Samastadeva Devesha Sarvatriptikaram Param Akandananda Sampurnam Grahana Jalamuttamam Om Hrim Idam Panartodakam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha.
The next is Punarachamaniyam, the offering of water for cleaning. Now, please take an uddarani of water and offer it at the lotus feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji at the end of the mantra.
Punarachamaniyam Om Uchchishtamapya Suchirva Yasya Smaranamartitah Shuddhimapnoti Tasmai Te Punarachamaniyakam Om Hrim Idam Punarachamaniyodakam Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Swaha.
The next is Arartrikam, the offering of Arti. Now, please take the lit camphor in the camphor vessel in your hands and slowly wave it
towards the lotus feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji along with the mantra, and please ring the bell as you do so.
आरात्रिकम् ॐ ह्रीं एषा दीपमाला सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिवाय नमः। ॐ राजाधिराजाय प्रसन्नसाहिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे। समे कामान् कामकामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु। कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। आरात्रिकं समर्पयामि भगवन् श्रीनित्यानन्द परमशिव चरणकमलेभ्यो नमः।
Next is Pushpanjali, the offering of fragrant flowers. Now, please take a few flowers in your hands, close your eyes and keep your hands in Anjali Mudra in front of your heart center, and offer the flowers at the lotus feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji at the end of the mantra.
Pushpanjalihi Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Akanda Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tadpatam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjalashalakaya Chakshurum Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Aneka Janma Samprapta Karma Bandha Vidahine Atmajnana Pradhanena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Mannata Shri Jagannatho Madguru Shri Jagadguruhu Mamatma Sarvabhutatma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Ishvaro Gururagmeti Murti Beda Vibhagine Vyomavavyapta Dehaya Dakshina Murtaye Namaha. Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gaganasadusham Tattvamasyadilaksham Ekam Nityam Nimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshibhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Pushpanjalim Samarpayami Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Charanakamalephyo Namaha. Om Nityanandam Swami Om Jai Nityananda.
Swami Samsara परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्
तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलम् सर्वदे साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं तद्गुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। Welcome one and all for today's Nitya Satsang. Every day at time 7:30 a.m. in the morning, we are all waiting for Swamiji's live satsang. And just before the satsang, we have a segment where we share the latest happenings. We share what Swamiji has been sharing in the satsang and what's happening around the world and what's happening with the Nityananda Sangha. So this is a segment where we share about the news, the updates, the sharings from different devotees, from different news segments, what's happening with the Nityananda Sangha. And in today's segment, I wanted to share about the recent media persecution that Nityananda Sangha has been subject to, that Swamiji has been subject to. Started about 3 weeks back when one of the ex-Adinavasi who had his 4 kids in Gurukul went out to media, to the police, alleging, falsely alleging that his kids are kidnapped, and he wanted to file false charges with the police on kidnapping and abduction and torture of his kids in Gurukul. And since then, we have had the authorities harassing the Gurukul kids, arresting our innocent female monks who are still under police custody, filing false charges and harassing the Gurukul kids, interrogating them, showing all sorts of, amusal, videos, messages, etc. And in today's segment, I wanted to share the true facts and the support that Nityananda Sangha has been getting worldwide for the media persecution, for the hate speech, for the media demonization that Swamiji as the Hindu Guru has been subject to. The first video that I wanted to share today is from one of the lawyers in Kerala who has analyzed this whole persecution that Swamiji and Sangha has been subject to. Let's hear from him directly. Let's watch the video by a lawyer from Kerala.
Hi viewers, I am Advocate Mohan Kumar from Kerala. Recently, I have seen some allegations against Swami Nityananda Paramashivam and his ashram by one Janardhan Sharma, who was the Vice President of Nityananda Ashram Bidadi for the last 4 years. I have seen these allegations in the YouTube. I know this Nityananda Ashram and Nityananda Swami for the last 5 years. I had participated in the several rituals and spiritual programs conducted in this ashram for the last years. And I got 100% benefit from those programs also. At that time, I had seen Mr. Dinanath Sharma in this Bidadi ashram working with Swamiji in full vigor and vitality. I had never seen Mr. Sharma in a sleepy or hypnotized mood in the ashram. I personally heard the complaint raised by Mr. Sharma before Republic TV Gujarat, which was telecasted on 22/11/2019 in the YouTube. I, being a lawyer, having 42 years of experience at the bar, out of which 12 years I am practicing in the Kerala High Court. Mr. Sharma approached the media, and his words has provoked me to give this video clippings. When I viewed his complaint in the legal background, I understood that your intention is to be suspected. Instead of going in the right legal path to get back your children, you are approaching in a different, cheapest way for media publicity alone. If you really want to get back your daughters from the ashram, you could have easily invoked the provisions of the Constitution of India, and you can very well approach the Honorable High Court of Gujarat to get back your children. There is provisions for it. Instead of that, you have selected to approach the local police station and to get a FIR registered against Nityananda Swamiji and the ashramites, and to see that he is being harassed in one way or other. And your charge is kidnapping and torture of your children also. That is why I feel that your attempt is a purposeful, planned action to achieve a particular object of maligning Hindu monks and sannyasis in India. You are safe because they will not come directly before the media to oppose your allegations. You only want media coverage and cheap publicity. Mr. Sharma, I feel that you are a tool in the hands of peoples and leaders of other religion who are waiting to malign the Hindu monks and sannyasis in India, for which you may be compensated. I can definitely say you have no good intention to get back your daughters from Nityananda ashram. Because your complaint of kidnapping and torture will not survive legally. Because from your statement, I understood that you yourself had entrusted your children in the ashram. Then how the question of kidnapping arises? Never. It will never arise. So prima facie your allegations are false. And you have raised these allegations against the ashram and the Swamiji only to malign the Hindu sannyasis and monks in India, which cannot be tolerated at all. So Mr. Sharma, please stop these types of false charges and allegations, accusations against innocent Hindu monks and sannyasis in India. Otherwise, more people like me will come forward and will be ready to fight against people like you. Thank you.
false charges. It looks like anybody can come and throw any kind of a false allegation with no basis, with no evidence, with no proof, just because the media, which is an anti-Hindu paid media, is ready to carry a story against any Hindu. If you talk anything controversial, like Swamiji said, the today's world, the humanity is waiting for negativity. That is why anybody who goes and shares some kind of negative information about anybody, about a Hindu guru or negative news as such is becoming more and more popular because the world, the humanity is waiting for it. They don't want the true news or the true facts, but they just want anything negative. Now, even the Janardhan, who was an ex-Adinavasi, has going now and do all the media and so-called, sharing all these false allegations. The same Janardhan, when he was in the Adinam, shared about how today, if he is walking and talking, it is because of Swamiji. His life was given to him by Swamiji, and he is in the Adinam sharing, manifesting different powers because of Swamiji. It is his Swamiji who fixed his heart valve problem when he had a heart surgery. It was because of Swamiji that he is walking and talking. And suddenly, when he decides to, I don't know what, how much money he got, who he is supporting, or who has asked him to do all this, or it is his own decision, or it is manipulating tactic, or blackmailing extortion tactic, I don't know what. But that same Janardhan who says that he was healed by Swamiji, he is walking and talking, he is alive today because of Swamiji, he is throwing all sorts of false allegations on Swamiji and the Sangam. Let us watch the video where he talks about his healing experience when he was in the Adinam.
The beauty is that see, there are many things where I personally felt that Unnuda, Samida, felt, and very few things. Everything is actually important for me in my life. Whatever happened in this Samida, Unnuda feeling is not even one or two. Whatever happened, everything is important in my life. So the beauty is that the very first and miracle in my life, Swamiji has actually. Today, if I am here alive because of Swamiji. The thing is that I was actually traveling and I was attending one function in Chennai, and after attending a function, I felt pained. Immediately, they took me to the hospital. They found that my heart is actually in trouble and valves, everything was in deep trouble. So I have to immediately admitted in the hospital. So that was a situation where I was searching. Actually, that time my kids were studying here. I was actually staying outside. So the Miyot hospital, they fixed that operation date. We sent a message to Swamiji for blessings, and Swamiji blessed, and it was around 10 hours the operation. Doctor told me the operation is going to be very, very major operation. It is going to be in two phases. The first phase will be, we will open the open heart surgery, where we are going to do the tinkering and painting work for the wall. And then after 3 months, again one more operation we have to perform, where bypass and stent we have to put. Both are major operation. So admitted, and 8 hours operation. When I was admitted in the hospital, while going through the operation theatre. People were actually very curious and praying all that. Then the moment 10:30 something the time, operation time. That time actually we have actually one of the person in our family saw that Swamiji is actually walking through the operation theatre. The vision is actually operation theatre, and he sat on the operation theatre inside on top of that. That was the vision is coming in. So he told that நான் இருக்கேன் நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னு. Then the operation was going on. Operation all that operation is over and success. And I was actually based on my various information about heart operation and many things. People used to advise me, you should not cough, there will be a lot of pain, this, that. So I was just once the operation is over, I opened my eyes and then I was not actually felt that something big operation has happened and things like that. After 2 months, doctor has actually gone for a second time checkup. That time doctor told me what happened in the operation. He's one of the very leading doctor. He told me, we have removed your heart and kept it in actually automatic system where the machine will keep the heart in live condition. அது செயற்கையா பண்றதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க அந்த மாதிரி. Then he about to replace the wall. It was as per the report he supposed to replace. But while he saw that, he was very much surprised. Fraction of a minute, a second, he felt that he got an idea. This wall need not to be replaced. Little bit grafting only has to be done. I don't know what is all this terminology and all. So the operation, because the same time whatever he was telling, என்னமோ நடந்தது அங்க ரொம்ப he was telling that in Tamil language. It was very surprised. I was kept all the செயற்கை wall, artificial walls, everything was ready. I supposed to replace the wall, but I saw that there are the wall is not as per the report condition. I was surprised. Then immediately I took the decision to do the grafting. So that was actually he was explained all that. And then when I came out, then I got this information that Swamiji's walked and then sat on my head and then the operation table, and then all is gone well. And then I came back after second operation. That also went very well. All that complicated operation. Then when I came here to ashram to have a darshan with Swamiji, he called my daughters and told to do the body scanning. Then he specifically asked, body scanning பண்ணிட்டீங்களா உங்க பொண்ணுகிட்ட பண்ண சொன்ன பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? I said, இல்ல Swamiji, போய் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Then they came out. My first daughter and second daughter, they came out, they saw. And then it was very, they saw that in this area, the heart area, they saw the blue light where Swamiji is there here. In this, he is holding my. Today, if I am alive, if I am able to talk, it is purely because of Swamiji's grace. And when there are three things, one is that changing the wall. The doctor was telling me, I don't know, only few out of few million people will have this kind of a complicated thing. But again, when I was opening the heart and keeping the heart outside and some machines he connected, he was supposed to do that. He was explaining me lot of, no, it was very surprise in your case. Everything is very special. தமிழ்ல சொன்னாரு, உனக்கு வியாதியும் ஸ்பெஷலா இருக்கு, தீர்வும் ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷலா வந்தது. அது
Here you can actually see how Swamiji has healed Janardhan and literally given life to him, given a new life to him for him to live with his family, so his children will have a father, so his wife will have a husband. And all his gratitude is now, all that he is now showing as a gratitude is going and abusing about Swamiji and Sangha in different medias and different channels. And Swamiji always says, even if the world abuses me, I will still contribute to it, because that is my commitment to humanity, and that is his compassion. In spite of all the healings and all the contribution, that literally what he has done to Janardhan and his family, they should be just melting in gratitude. But the ego sometimes does not allow you to see the reality, and it thinks it can do whatever it can, and attracting all this karma by sharing these false allegations and whatnot. So anyway, let's all share the truth. The video that we played today is in the Hinduism Now.
नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानंद परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानंद
With the power manifestation session. Let's sit straight, visualize Swamiji in the third eye, and let's start with the Sadguru Vandanam. Nityanandam Dharmasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Vandvadikam Gagana Sadasham Tattvamasyaadilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvadi Sakshi Bhutam Bhavatītam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami. Nityanandam, welcome to Kailash Courtyard, Manifesting Power Session. Welcome all the God and Goddesses, all the Paramashivas. Such a beautiful space Swamiji has created in the deep love. He says how the power, Shakti, is translated to force when we apply the love, a deep love of gratitude, bhakti, devotion to our Guru, simply will make us manifest all the powers. Once we understand that everything is auspicious, everything that is contributed is the life is contributing to us. Everyone is constantly contributing, and simply everything is auspicious. We'll fall in such a beautiful love with everybody. Here Swamiji gives a beautiful story. He says, there's a husband the wife says, you're very sick. I'm going to give you all the medicines and you'll rest to whole day today. He says, no, I'm not sick. I'm perfectly fine. She says, no, you have a headache. Probably you need to sleep the whole day. He says, no, I'm perfectly fine. The wife says, no, maybe you have some cold or cough. You have to rest today. Let's take these medicine. He says, I'm hale and healthy. Everything is fine. I don't need anything at all. I am perfectly fine. I have lots of energy to do lots of things. Then the wife gives all the cleaning material and says, okay, now let's start cleaning. The beautiful story says how we always give reasons, but when we are given the bigger reason, simply all the small ones vanish away. The mind, Swamiji beautifully says, when you have a bigger problem that you're going through, all the nagging problems, smaller things, will disappear. It won't even appear. He tells the story to make us understand the mind is irrelevant. It is redundant. It is not even giving us any clue to what we are going to do. It only projects the negative. Swamiji says, worse than politician. It doesn't even give us a reality picture and simply diverts us with all the negative words and negative thoughts. If we stop going towards the outer world, which is a limited cognition, giving us all these negative words, impossibilities and limitations, instead being in the pure space of oneness, pure devotion, the love maturing to the trust. This devotion, Swamiji says, when love matures to devotion, deep trust starts in us. That love that we have for Swamiji, that love that we feel inside us, the oneness space, as how a child trusts the mother, the Shakti Pada simply happens in all of us. Here now we are going to play the sutra and finish. Yes, thank you.
The Shastra Pramana for the power of consciousness over matter.
Sutra 120, Dharana 95. Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, consciousness over matter. Kvachit vastuni vinyasya sanai drishtim nivartayet tatjnanam chitta sahitam devi sunyo layo bhavet. This sutra is translated, having fixed one's eyes on particular object, vastu, one should slowly withdraw the sight from the object as well as slowly eliminate the knowledge of the object along with the thought and impression of it. Swamiji gives us beautiful explanation. When we see the object, we see, for example, the jewelry, we see the design, but the jeweler maker sees the gold. Same way the carpenter, he sees the wood while we see the furniture. When you start seeing the source, you'll understand the beautiful space of oneness, the beautiful happening behind that what is projected. He says, O Devi, one abides in Sunya, the state where there is nothing other than this exists. The beautiful space that oneness happens when you are with the source of Paramashiva. Swamiji beautifully says, love is Paramashiva manifesting as the Parameshwara, the force, when we understand the deep devotion, bhakti, gratitude for what Swamiji is giving us constantly. In spite of all what's going on, without even missing a day, he's coming and giving us all the darshans, dikshas, boons, and the new programs for us to raise to the new consciousness, giving us the ultimate oneness space and powerful cognition for us to flower into the ultimate reality. That is the all-inclusive, infinite space, infinite powers, and infinite intelligence. More and more that infinite intelligence starts happening to us when we are cognizing the higher reality. He says how Ganga simply flows beautifully when she gushes through the beautiful space. Swamiji says Ganga is a huge river and the mind is a dam. Power manifestation is like a holes in the dam. When you start manifesting more and more powers, the mind just disappears because of the holes become bigger. Simply like that, how Ganga simply becomes your reality as the river flowing through you as the force. Same way Swamiji says, if you're in oneness space, your manifestation simply will happen. When you decide, the whole power manifestation is all about your will becoming reality. You know only logical how things happen, but there is a huge possibility, infinite possibility when you understand will become possibility. We know only logic, but here Swamiji is initiating us into the ultimate infinite possibility where the will becomes the possibility. Again and again manifesting powers and the consciousness, the will becoming the possibility, it reiterates how we can function as the ultimate source. The source, when we are understanding that we all belong to the source, we can make any object from that. The more and more we contemplate on the higher truth that Swamiji is giving, the more and more we understand the deeper source inside it and connect to Paramashiva in the deep love and gratitude and devotion. Now, we are going to post the instruction for the consciousness over matter, the silicon. Swamiji said the force, awakened consciousness force, is greater than the other four forces which are being discovered and four forces which are not being discovered. The four forces that we have discovered, gravity force, electromagnetic force, nuclear strong force and nuclear weak force, all that will simply listen to us when we are in oneness with Paramashiva. Now you take the cell phone, take a screenshot of it and switch off the internet, switch off the whatever charger you have, remove it, switch off all the apps so that no apps are running, and keep it in your hand and completely start chanting the Mahavakya to increase the battery. Now let's sit straight with the head, neck and spine in a straight line. Let's connect to Swamiji in the third eye. Deep connect to Swamiji too in the space of oneness, the restful awareness, the nothingness, Sunya, where all the actions of Paramashiva, the 5 actions, Shrishti, Sthiti, Samhara, Prabhava and Anugraha is constantly happening in our inner space. Connecting to the deep part of us, chanting the Mahavakya with a deep listening will make us manifest the powers whatever your will is. You have seen it already happen, such a beautiful cognition, that sankalpa that you have made, simply by manifesting, simply by chanting the Mahavakya, you will manifest that as reality. So let's chant the Mahavakya, holding the beautiful oneness space with Swamiji. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Let's start chanting.
See yourself as 25-headed, 50-handed Paramashiva, as eternally 16, youthful. Commit with Paramashiva. Only He exists. Anything else is delusion. Now, sit straight. We'll enter into the process. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashiva's third eye manifest in all our third eyes. Let the Amrita pour, let the Vanni open up, manifest in all of us. Let Paramashiva overflow, manifest the powers in all our third eyes. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om manifesting all our third eyes. Let the Amrita pour, let the Vani open up, manifest in all of us. Let Paramashiva overflow, manifest the powers in all our third eyes. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Jnananda Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Jnananda Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Jnananda Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Let Paramashiva's third eye manifesting all our third eyes. Let the Amrita pour, let the Vani open up, manifest in all of us. Let Paramashiva overflow, manifest the powers in all our third eyes. Om Jnananda Paramashivam. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Let Paramashiva's third eye manifest in all our third eyes. Let the Amrita pour, let the Varni open up, manifest in all of us. Let Paramashiva overflow, manifest the powers in all our third eyes. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Let Paramashiva's third eye manifest in all our third eyes. Let the Amrita pour, let the Vanni open up, manifest in all of us. Let Paramashiva overflow, manifest the powers in all our third eyes. Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Let Paramashiva's third eye manifest in all our third eyes. Let the Amrita pour, let the Vanni open up, manifest in all of us. Let Paramashiva overflow, manifest the powers in all our third eyes. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Wonderful. Please open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. And check the cell phone. Switch it on. And see the battery level and take a screenshot of that. Post it in the Kailash Kotiad Manifesting Power page. I'm sharing now. You can click on this and share the details and share it with everybody. That's a huge contribution, sharing and enriching everybody. Swamiji again and again said that space of love expands when you are enriching, when you're making more of yourself is enriching, when you're expanding constantly without boredom of tiredness is enriching. So please go ahead and post it in your own language. You can post it, your power manifestation, and you can share it with your friends, families, and new groups so they can also attend the satsang and manifest all these powers. Such a beautiful space Swamiji has given for us to be part of Gurukul, Nityananda Gurukul. We have the different classes. We have the online classes. We have the weekend classes physically available in the centers. We have the evening classes, and we conduct in some of the schools also. In your own children's school, we conduct classes. So whoever's interested, go ahead and click the Enlightened Kids and you can register. If you would like to be an Acharya and conducting the kids with the Enlightened app, simply go ahead and register in Acharya registration. Swamiji is given the best program, Paramashivoham, the ultimate Divya Shariri experience that you would have heard many times. Here Swamiji is giving 21 days of his time to sit with you and make you manifest all the powers of Paramashiva, the ultimate consciousness as ultimate reality that Swamiji has given as the ultimate powerful cognition today. Here Paramashivoham is literally making you a Jivan Mukti. So make sure you put your intention. After that, it will take you beautifully into the program itself. The Sankalpa matters more than anything. Whatever your Sankalpa, that's your life. Even now, that's how it's happening, but it's very unconscious. Now you make a clear Sankalpa, having the darshan of Swamiji, initiated by Swamiji, sitting in the mandala process, sitting and asking questions with Swamiji. Such a beautiful process. If you really believe yourself sitting there, go ahead and put it in the intention. Simply you will see as your manifest your reality. Swamiji is given the Parivrajaka and Kayakalpa Yoga. The registration, you can go ahead and register in kailasa.org/satsang. Again and again, Swamiji makes possibility for all kinds of people. This is a free program. It ranges from 1.5 years to 2 years, completely making your body live for 500 to 700 years. The body, Kayakalpa body, is amazing possibility of not just health becoming better, but health living as healthy, literally living like a 16-year-old, never aging, and living in the beautiful space of oneness with Paramashiva. Parivrajaka, visiting all the temples, all the Shivalingas and the Pitams with all the Yuvarajas, who's going to be Pitatishwari and Pitatishwar. In 25 Pitatishwar will be walking in the Parivrajaka Yatra. Such a beautiful space Swamiji is giving for all of us to manifest our reality. Again and again he reiterate into us the love, devotion and deep feeling connection. So let's surrender all the Shaktis that we experience now, the powerful clicks and Shaktis, the manifestation itself. Let's surrender all that to Swamiji's lotus feet and let all the Shaktis become more and more Buddhi. With that, thanks Swamiji And let's sit straight and end with the Purna mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat Sarvam Bhagavate Sri Nityananda Paramashivam Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. Thank you, everybody. Share with everyone.